Currently here at McDonald's. Slippery. Like so much ice. Yeah. This is a 29-minute delivery. It's 3 bags. Gas. And that is what I pay at 36. Oh. I have a pickup. Hello. Yes. I have this guy. That pickup is $14. I have another pickup I have to do too. It's 2 separate pickup, but they're both this one is 15 and the other one is 23. I'll be there I think in 5 minutes. One of these goes in the mountains. All right, here for my pizza. I think I have the pizza ready to go. Pizza drop off is gonna be a 16-minute drive. I have arrived here. It is freezing out here. It is so fucking cold. I thought it wasn't bad, but once you get out and you walk, oh my god. The cold just tried to fight you. Like, what the hell, man? My next delivery is going to be 11 minutes away. Six minutes away from my destination. This is not too bad.
Yeah, we way out here in the damn city. This is damn Airbnb, and I'm like, God damn, I appreciate it.
Of course, have a great night. Thank you, thank you. I got, and that's what they got. I mean, I said I got, but they got, and this. I just arrived here. I'm about to run this in.
I think your delivery code was 92.
Okay. There you go. Oh, that's a little heavy.
Okay.
Let's slip that in there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great night. I have a Speedway pickup, so I'll sit and ready to go. Have a pickup at Burger King. There's this. It's a 17-minute drive. So, would that be this one? The side door. Maybe that's this one. Hello. Oof. I do not want to fall. I paid for gas.